Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn Introduction to Integration together, step by step. Integration is differentiation run backwards. If a derivative takes a function down to its slope function, an integral climbs back up to the original. We write the integral of f of x dx equals capital F of x plus c, where f is the function whose derivative is f. It's the reverse operation. The power rule for integration: add 1 to the exponent, then divide by that new exponent. But why the plus c? Because the derivative of any constant is 0. So x squared plus 5 and x squared minus 3 have the exact same derivative. Integration can't tell them apart, so we add c to cover every possibility. Integrate 6x squared plus 4x. For 6x squared, raise the power to 3 and divide by 3. 6 over 3 is 2, giving 2x cubed. For 4x, raise to 2 and divide by 2, giving 2x squared. Add c. To check, differentiate the answer, and you get back 6x squared plus 4x. Perfect. Integrate x cubed minus 5. For x cubed, add 1 to get 4, and divide by 4, giving x to the 4th over 4. The integral of a constant 5 is 5x, so we get minus 5x. Add c. Differentiate to verify. X cubed minus 5 comes right back. Remember, a lone constant integrates to constant times x. To sum up, integration undoes differentiation. Use the power rule by adding 1 to the exponent and dividing by the new value. Never forget the plus c, since constants vanish under differentiation. And the best habit in all of calculus: check your integral by differentiating it. If you land back on the original, you're correct. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.